Selling time, content, or services definitely requires a different approach than selling physical products. For one, why should your customers pay you? What are you offering that they can't get anywhere else? This means using proof points like education, years of experience, and testimonials to establish credibility.
So, if you're selling digital content, digital services, digital something, it's something that you can't see, you can't touch, can't smell. You have to really tell and inform whoever's looking at your webpage exactly what they're getting. They need to feel like, okay, I have a pretty good idea of what I'm getting, why I need it, and if, in my case, for online courses, who's gonna be delivering it. That's me.
Unlike physical products, choosing imagery or visuals to help sell a service or membership is sometimes a little less obvious. Prioritize visuals that work to communicate what you're selling, the feeling your content or services offers your customers, and/or your legitimacy.
I would say you should definitely think about video. Part of what you're buying in this digital content is this. It's me. It's the entertainment factor of it. And it's also the trust too, that I'm not gonna bore you. So we use video as much as possible just to establish that trust and that approachability. So basically, if someone's thinking in their head when they're watching our video, yeah, I could stand watching this for another 6 hours, then we've done our job.
You know your worth and the value that you have to offer. So brag about yourself and let people know how smart, capable, and savvy you are.